Dimensions: 10 inches by 2.5 inches, 6-pack of 5-micron pleated sediment filter cartridges. Universal water filter replacement, fits any standard 10-inch undersink reverse osmosis or water filtration systems. Quality filtration, made of 100% pure polypropylene microfibers. Contains no binders, agents, solvents, antistatic materials or wetting agents. This cartridge is pleated, it provides increased surface area and longer filter life. Pleated cartridge provides step filtration and remove more contaminants, large and fine particles from a drinking water, such as sand, dirt, silt, and rust particles. Lifetime, 4 to 6 months, 20,000 to 30,000 gallons, depending on the water quality. Replace for great taste of your water. Compatible filters and housings: American Plumber W50P, Amatec R50, Culligan R50, DuPont WFPFC 3002, Brita WHF 101, Whirlpool WHKF WHPL, NeoPure PS 27097-50, Brunner R50, Clear Choice 84619, Freshwater Systems PS 27097-50, Graver Technologies PME 59.75 PS, Harmsco 701-50, 801-50, 801-50 watts, WB 50 watts, Hydronics SPC 25 1050, Keystone 550, Liquitech SPF 25 1050, Pentec 155,038, 255,484-43, ECP 101, R50, US Filter R50, Watts FM 50-975, PWPL 10M50, etc. Fits most 10-inch standard size housings. Top reviews from the United States. These work very well for the amount spent. Cheaper than retail HDNL. I have 3 houses that use well water. I have 3 units in operation of 2 different brands. Although there is some question in length to be used, these filters do the job. In one of my filtration units, as listed in another comment, when you snug down the housing, the filter tends to crush down some. It's not a big deal because the filter still maintains its integrity. To get the exacting ones suggested by the manufacturer greatly increases the cost. Although most would not find this issue, I don't drink from this water, so I tend to run chlorine in the wells to combat bacteria from the farms nearby. I have found that unlike another brand I also use, the rubber ends of these filters does not break down from the contact with chlorine. The other cheaper brand uses a different rubber and it gets slimed with the adding of chlorine to the well. These filters seem to work the best for the cost. At this price, K-Slot is a great price. You use IT, change IT and toss IT.